This is how the Grammarly interface look like. If you look at the top right hand corner here, see, also if you don't have a Grammarly account, you can see the sign up there. It is free to sign up. You can sign up with your Google account. So that is how to use Grammarly. In today's video, I'm going to review how to edit your book for free using tools that are simple, effective, and completely free. Hello everyone, welcome back to Step Up Success. In today's video, I'm going to review how to edit your book for free using tools that are simple, effective, and completely free. Editing is a crucial part of the self-publishing process, but it doesn't have to cost you a dime. So let's discuss the steps to get your book published and ready for readers. Let's talk about why editing is so important. When your book is well edited, it becomes easier to read and more enjoyable for your audience. Mistakes, grammar issues, and unclear sentence can distract readers and take away from your message. That's why a good edit is key. This is how the Grammarly interface look like. If you look at the corner, you see the up right hand corner. Yes, you see the login there. Then you can log into your account and start editing your script. Okay. Also, if you don't have a Grammarly account, you can see the sign up there. It is free to sign up. You can sign up with your Google account. So that is how to use Grammarly. In the next section, we are going to look at how to use Hemingway. Free tool for editing book is called Hemingway Editor. This tool is great for improving the flow and readability of your book. Hemingway highlights complex sentences and suggests ways to make your writing clearer. It is perfect if you want to make sure your readers understand your ideas easily. Just paste your text into the Hemingway editor and it will give you feedback on how to simplify sentences and reduce unnecessary words. And the best part is that this tool is a free tool. You can use this tool to edit your book for free. This is the interface. Hemingway app makes your writing concise and correct. Okay, so you can use Hemingway to make the readability and the flow of your manuscript better. Okay, let's talk about self-editing. Even with tools, you will want to review your books yourself. It is a very honest fact. You also need to review your books yourself. Here's a simple method. The number one method is that you have to read your book out loud. This helps you hear mistakes that you might not notice when reading silently. It is a great way to catch awkward sentence. Another simple method is to take breaks between edits. You need to take breaks between edits. After you finish writing, take a few days off before you start editing. A fresh mind catches more mistakes. Okay. Another one is edit one step at a time. You need to start with big issues like plot holes or unclear ideas, then move on to smaller things like grammar and spelling. Okay, do one thing at a time. So that's how you can edit your book for free with tools like Grammarly and Hemingway, plus some good self-editing tech. You can make your book look professional without spending any money. And don't forget to use Beta Reader for extra feedback. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumb up and subscribe to Step Up Success for more tips on writing and publishing your own books. Subscribe so that I can be able to give more tips, more secrets that will help our self-publishing business. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.